So what's up guys, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. A lot of you guys are using their Xiaomi devices running Miui 11, Miui 10 or Miui 12, whatever device you have, whatever Miui version you're using. You also need themes to customize your device. Like I am also using a theme on my device and you can see this theme. But instead of themes, we can customize our device with Xposed module. If you don't know how to install Xposed on Xiaomi device running Android 9, Android 10 or Miui 11 or whatever else, I have already made a video on that. You can go and check it out, that how you can install Xposed on your device. And if you have Xposed, if you have rooted your Xiaomi device, you are good to go. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started right now. Okay, so if you are using a Xiaomi device like me and you have a Magisk manager installed, let me just show you. This is the latest version, is Magisk 20.4. whatever version you are using doesn't matter, but if you have Magisk installed, if you have Xposed manager framework is also active like this, you are good to go. How to install these things, I have already made a video on that. Make sure to hit the I button and check out how to install these things on your device if you have already installed these things. Now what we need is, we need this Xposed module. The name is customiuizer and the thing is, this is the Xposed module which is working pretty fine and it has a lot of features. As you can see, there are a lot of features available, so we can go and customize our device with this Xposed module. Just go to Google Play Store, search for this, and it will be only around 0.91 MB, which is only 900 KB. And after installing this, you will see this add Xposed module is not activated yet. Just click here, it will ask you to activate this module in settings. So just go here, go to modules. Here we have customiuizer installed. Now click on this, and after that, as you already know about that, you need reboot once your device. So just reboot your device once and just come back here. Okay, so finally we have successfully installed this customiuizer Xposed module on our device, and if you also have installed it, then you are good to go. Go to Xposed manager. Let me just show you that it is active now. Go to module section and it is properly active and perfectly working now. So just go to customiuizer here, and here you can search the modes. As I already told you, new modes since previous update can be marked for better visibility. It will show you some settings here, so just leave these things and you are here. Customiuizer, where you get the system modes, launcher modes, control modes and various modes. And here you also can customize this app from here. Customiuizer settings, launcher icon, fast access icon, interface language, mark new mode and holiday design. This one is automatic, you can choose to New Year, and this is how your customiuizer app will look like. You can customize to Chinese New Year, and now you can see this is how your customiuizer app will look. These were the settings just to customize your customiuizer app. Now we can customize our Xiaomi device, so just wait and go to disable it, and now we are clean and good to go. Here you have some system modes where when you go to screen, you can choose the rotation animation. You can adjust a lot of things. You can turn off animations, charge animations, screen timeout, etc. In audio, you have the disabled ducking options, separate volume controls, extended timer, ignore calls option. I am not gonna show you everything by applying these things one by one because that will take a lot of time and a lot of effort. I'm just gonna show you that which are the things you get here to customize your device. What is the main drawback of this Xposed module? The main drawback of this Xposed module is almost every time you need to reboot your device to apply any single mode, a lot of times probably. So it's better to do all the things, all the customizations at once, and after that reboot your device and you are good to go. In vibration, you can customize the block vibration, muffled vibration, toast, and in status bar you can hide the icons, whichever things you don't want on your status bar. So if you want to hide the battery image, just click there, and after reboot, this battery icon will not be in the status bar. If some things you don't need, like no SIM card thing, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, VoLTE, hotspot, and almost every icon is there. Whichever icon you don't want, you can hide from here. You can also show LTE icon for 4G. If you're using a Miui 12 or Miui 11 based custom rooms on your device, maybe these options you already have on your device settings, but almost every ROM does not support these things. Like if you're using a stock ROM, China Beta, these settings are not there. So after using custom customiuizer Xposed modules, you can get these settings right now. Show seconds, detailed network speed indicator, and some gesture control options. That's a very interesting thing. Go back, and here some options to customize your notification drawer, notifications, quick settings, recent app list. You also got the app lock option, but that's almost every time is perfectly working on any Xiaomi device. But you're gonna customize your app lock with scramble pin and less strict app lock and list of apps to lock, these kind of things. And in other, you have the interface mode, so whichever you think you can choose that one. Extended power menu, that's a very interesting thing. Sometime you wanna reboot to recovery or fast boot mode, that's interesting too. Allow downgrade, so if you wanna install Miui 12.0 version and you are Miui 12.1, you can downgrade directly, and this feature will support on your device. Widget free widget resize, unblock launchers, and a lot more. I cannot show you all these things. Just go and customize your device like a pro. You can customize launcher, you can customize the controls, power key, volume keys, navigation bar, etc. And in various, you can choose the app info in installer, use Miui package installer, and here some other things, show additional app details, and a lot more. A lot of things are there. Go and customize right now, don't wait for it, and use the customiuizer Xposed module. These were all the things which I was just gonna show you. Make sure to like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This was all, thanks for watching, goodbye, have a nice day.